The history of pleasoning is a history of taste. After World War II, my grandfather, Frank Italiano, spent time in China and acquired a gourmet taste which became his passion. He developed a seasoning and shared it with his friends. In 1952, pleasoning was created. That first seasoning has grown to 40 different blends. This history of taste continues with both the second and the third generations as we explore people's changing tastes. Stop by the Pleasoning Outlet store on Ward Avenue and taste the history. Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you how easy it is to make award-winning chili using chili pleasoning. First, brown a half cup of onions, a half cup of celery, and 1 pound of ground beef. Then add 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of tomato sauce, a half a cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of chili pleasoning. Let that simmer for a half an hour and you're good to go. Be sure to get your chili pleasoning and 37 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. It's a winner! Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you 2 easy recipes using our chicken pleasoning. For a slow cooker turkey breast, lightly coat a 3 to 4 pound turkey breast with chicken pleasoning. Melt a stick of butter and slowly pour it over the turkey breast while in the slow cooker. Cover and cook on high for 3 hours. For a delicious pork tenderloin, lightly coat it with chicken pleasoning, set the smoker or oven to 225 and cook for an hour and a half. Get your 37 blends at the Pleasoning Outlet store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. Chicken pleasoning, not just for chicken. Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you just how easy it is to make tacos and taco dip using taco pleasoning. For the tacos, just brown 1 pound of ground meat with 4 teaspoons of taco pleasoning. Add a half a cup of water, simmer 15 minutes, spoon into a taco shell and add your favorite garnish. For taco dip, blend cream cheese and a half cup of milk until smooth, then add 1 tablespoon of taco pleasoning. Be sure to get your taco pleasoning and 37 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. Tacos! Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you how easy it is to use pleasoning breading mix. For an easy meatloaf, beat 1 egg and combine with a 1/4 cup milk, 1 small onion chopped, 1/3 cup breading mix, and 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Bake at 375 for 1 hour. Our breading mix covers everything from chicken, pork, fish, venison, and more. Be sure to get your breading mix pleasing and 36 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. It's a family classic. Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you how easy it is to make a homemade pizza sauce and a meat topping using pizza pleasoning and Italian pleasoning. For the sauce, combine an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of pizza pleasoning, 1 tablespoon Parmesan cheese, and simmer for 10 minutes. For the meat topping, brown a half a pound of ground beef or pork with 1.5 teaspoons of Italian pleasoning. Be sure to get your pizza and Italian pleasonings and 35 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. It's zalicious! Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you how easy it is to make a great barbecue sauce. We'll start by taking a half a cup of ketchup, and we'll mix in 1 tablespoon of barbecue pleasing spice. For Sloppy Joes, brown 1 pound of ground meat with a medium chopped onion and drain. Use the barbecue sauce with a half cup water added, add to the brown meat and simmer for 15 minutes. Be sure to get your barbecue spice pleasing and 35 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet Store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. Perfect for a party. Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you how to make a fast and easy spaghetti sauce using our Italian and Frank's blend Pleasoning. Brown 1 pound of ground meat with a small chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of Italian Pleasoning. Heat any jar of spaghetti sauce, adding a tablespoon of Frank's blend. Add the drained beef mixture and simmer for 10 minutes. Be sure to get Frank's blend, Italian, and 34 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet Store on Ward Avenue in La Crosse. Just like Grandma's. Hey, Dominic here, and I want to show you how easy it is to make a Bloody Mary using Pleasoning Bloody Mary mix. So first we're going to use a favorite shot of spirits, a heaping teaspoon of Bloody Mary mix, a couple dashes of Worcestershire, and your tomato juice. Mix that up. Add your favorite garnishes. And there you have it. Make sure to get your Pleasoning Bloody Mary mix and 35 other blends at the Pleasoning Outlet Store on Ward Avenue in La Crosse. Cheers! Hey, Dominic and Cinnamon Bear here to show you some great gift ideas for any occasion at the Pleasoning Outlet Store. We have gift boxes that are large, small, or in between, starting at just $13. Our combo packs start at $12.50. A Pleasoning cookbook will have you cooking like a chef. Make it official with aprons, hats, and t-shirts. So stop in and get the perfect gift made right here at the Pleasoning Outlet Store on Ward Avenue, La Crosse. I wonder what it could be.